Hello everyone, welcome to the audiobook. This is Sureka Ramachandran. Today's book is Weird Sea Creatures. Okay guys, let's go and see different kinds of creatures in the sea. Strange but true. Many strange sea creatures live in the ocean. Some are beautiful, some are ugly, some are cute, and some are scary. Weird sea creatures are strange for a reason. The funny way they look and the strange things they do help them live in the ocean. In this picture, you can see the balloon fish, which has spikes on its body to protect itself. Survival skills. Some sea animals live in the shallow ocean waters. Some lives in the deep ocean. The ocean can be a hard place to live. Deep areas are cold and dark. It can be hard to find food, and the ocean can be dangerous. There are many predators. Any animals can quickly become dinner for another animals. Waterward, predator, an animal that hunts and eat other animals. Here in this picture, we can see the diagonal butterfly fish. It skins looks like a butterfly wing, so it called as a diagonal butterfly fish. Sea creatures have special skills that help them find food. They also have strange body parts that can help them hide and stay safe from other animals. How weird are these sea creatures? Let's find out. A Dumbo octopus finds food on the ocean floor with its large eye. In this picture, we can see a Dumbo octopus which has a large eyes to find food. And in this picture, we see a leafy sea dragon which looks exactly like a seaweed. If it is in danger, it will blend with the seaweed around it. And another picture is a moray eel which has a sharp teeth to catch prey. Hide and seek. Camouflage helps animals hide from their enemies. Looking strange helps them blend into the plant or water around them. Camouflage also helps animals catch dinner. Do you see the stonefish in the picture? Most fish don't because it looks like a rock or coral. When they swim too close, the stonefish springs from the ocean floor. It grabs dinner in a flash. Waterward. Camouflage, an animal's natural color or form that blends in with what is around it. Big eyes. The deep ocean gets very little light. Many animals that live there have large eyes. Big eyes help creatures see in the darkness and find prey. This is a viper fish, and this is the hatchet fish. This viper fish used its big eyes to spot a hatchet fish. Dinner time. The hatchet fish uses its own large eyes to find tiny shrimp to eat in the dark sea. Waterward, prey, an animal that is eaten by another animal. Making light. Many creatures in the deep dark sea have a special trick. They make their own light. This is called bioluminescence. Waterward, bioluminescence, light that an animal makes by itself. In this picture, we can see the comb jelly which make its own light. In this picture, the black dragonfish has funny patches that glows in many places on its body. Some sea creatures use their own light as a flashlight to find prey. Light can draw prey towards an animal too, and light can surprise enemies so an animal can make a quick escape. Expert food finders. Some animals have wacky body parts that help them catch meals. The gulper eel has a super long tail. Prey comes closer for a better look. This eel's giant mouth opens wide. It can eat an animal bigger than it is. It can't be picky. In the deep sea, the eel must eat whatever it can find. The tiny cookie cutter shark locks on its prey with strange sucking lips. Its sharp teeth sink in. They leave a bite the shape of a circle. Look at the cookie cutter shark feeding on a dolphin in this illustration. An anglerfish has its own fishing pole called a lure. The lure glows and other fish want to know what it is. When they get close, the anglerfish eat them. Deadly dangers. Bumping into some sea creatures can be bad news. The yellow sea anemone looks like a pretty flower, but it has stinging parts that have deadly venom. When a fish is stung, its muscles stop working. Then the anemone eats the fish. Waterword, venom, a liquid some animal makes that can cause stinging pain or death. The box jellyfish is one of the most dangerous animal in the world. It has arms called tentacles that grows up to 10 feet long. The tentacles deliver a painful deadly sting. This lionfish has crazy spiky fins, but you would not want to touch them. The fins on its back are sharp and can sting you. Strange senses. Some animals near the ocean floor don't even have eyes. They can't see their food, so they use other senses to find it. A sea cucumber can feel tiny pieces of food stuck to its tube feet. It curls its feet in and licks them clean. A hagfish has a super strong sense of smell and touch. It can smell food that's fallen from higher up in the ocean. It also uses feeler to find meal. Superb subs. How do we know about weird sea creatures in the deep ocean? People can't dive deep to see these strange creatures. It's too cold and dark there, and the water pressure is strong enough to crush a person. But humans can use machines called submersibles to explore the deep ocean. Some people control them from far away like a remote controlled car, and sometimes people ride inside. Waterward, submersible, an underwater craft used to explore and gather information. How deep? This submersible, named Alvin, can dive 4,764 feet deep. It would take more than 3 Empire State Buildings stacked up to reach that depth. These odd tube worms live on the bottom of the ocean. They can grow to be 8 feet tall. Submersible collect information. They have lights and special tools. They take pictures and they gather plants, rocks, and animals. Scientists used submersible to find the weird creature shown here, and there are probably thousands more that have not been found yet. Hello everyone. I hope you guys enjoy this audiobook. We will meet in next audiobook. Bye. Take care. If you like this audiobook, please click the like button, share and subscribe it.